Let's install a wig using this box. Comes with your glue, your remover, your strap, a hair wax, and it comes with 2 HD wig caps. Hope y'all remember Jacob Lattimore. Yo, I used to be bumping his music like crazy. I need some alcohol. I did forget to mention it came with this as well. So this is what I used to actually put the glue on. He should have me as a backup singer because baby, I would have ate it up. You know who I am. Big on intro, quite million. Ayy. He would never love you. That dries first and it's clear before you put your second coat on. Don't. Hold on. When you say my name. This is her best song hands down. Like, I don't care. All the other songs they eat, but this one put me in my bag every time. If you don't like this glue, because look, like y'all just put that on and it's already drying clear. Dola. My boyfriend brought me this. Look how cute this is. One thing that's on the pack, I gotta use this. This is my go-to. Spray it on the lace, tap it in, blow dry. Supposed to be. Oh, just like that. Yeah, girl. She bodied her part in this song. So we just put a pack and put that on over this. I love you.